Hey everyone, this is Buddy, back with another video, and back with another episode of the streaming setup, this time dealing with the ideal lighting situation. So basically we're going to look at how you guys should set up your lighting situation to make it the best and make you look the best for your streams, for your videos, for your conference calls, school meetings, whatever. Basically make it so that you guys have the best view of yourself on camera. So there's a bunch of options that you guys can choose from, and these could be from like a small ring light, a softbox, a lamp, a window, the overhead lights, and you guys also need to make sure that you take into consideration your webcam qualities. So if you guys missed the first episode of this streaming video series, go check it out. It's about the webcam and basically about how different webcams can give you different amounts of quality. So if you have a cheap webcam, then you might need to spend a little bit more time configuring your lighting setup to make it look good with the cheap webcam compared to a more robust and expensive webcam that can do more for you. So for example, if you have a bright window somewhere, expensive webcam could maybe deal with that and not overexpose you, but a cheaper webcam might just completely wash you out. So you check out that episode if you haven't already, but let's get into more of the lighting setups for this video. So obviously the easy and kind of little setup ones that you guys could do is simply just with your windows, your lamps, and your overhead lights. So this is easy if you have a window in a bad spot, maybe it's behind you and it's making you just look dark, then you shut the window and instead you use your overhead lights or a lamp or something. And you guys can adjust these need be, so moving the lamp around, turning off and on the overhead lights, or opening and shutting the window, or maybe even moving your desk around so that you're in a better position to use the natural light in the room. Or it's even maybe install a mirror somewhere and it kind of reflects the light off of that or something like that to make it look better for you guys without really doing too much additional buying of other things to put in your room. Some of the additional things that you guys could buy is, say, from like a little ring light to maybe a professional softbox light or something like that. So basically you can get a tiny little ring light, and I've done a video on a desk ring light that I've found before on Amazon, but if you guys want more controls, obviously you're going to be spending more, closer to like $100 or $200 on a ring light. Or if you want it to be much brighter, say you have no light in your room, you might need it to be much brighter, and then you're going to be spending more money on it as well. That's another consideration, is do you want to go with a small ring light that maybe could sit on your desk, or you could get a bigger ring light or softbox stand or what have you to put on the floor and to provide a lot more light for you. It provides all the necessary light that you guys need. So with these extra purchases, you can pretty much maneuver your either desk light or your floor lamp light to kind of point in the right direction. So if you have a window kind of filling in one side of your face, put it on the other side. Or if you have a window or an overhead light providing more of the back lighting and top lighting, you might want to put it right in front of your face. You could put it above your monitor to shine down on you, or maybe to the sides of your monitor. It all depends on how much light you guys have already coming in from one direction. And like I said before, if you get a bigger ring light, you can pretty much just use that because it'll provide enough power to light your entire room compared to needing a bunch of small lights or a combination of those. There's lots of lighting options out there available, guys. I would definitely recommend kind of looking into a ring light that could either sit on your desk, or a bigger ring light that can sit behind your desk, or maybe off to the side to provide you the amount of light that you need to shine and light yourself up for the videos. Obviously, you need enough light to light you up, but too much light definitely can kind of wash some details out. So you guys kind of got to play around with that. Usually going a little bit more expensive is better in the long run, so then you can make that one purchase that'll last you a while instead of realizing that maybe it is still kind of fuzzy on my calls or on my videos. So just so you guys know, and it depends on just how much you care about making yourself look as best as possible on your videos. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And if you guys are still watching, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below as well. It's free, easy, and you can undo it at any time. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode of this streaming setup video series.